In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to analyze your chess.com game with the self-analysis board. First, open the game you've just finished on chess.com. You can do this from your recent games or your game archive. Once you're looking at the game, click the magnifying glass or the analysis button. That takes you into Game Review, which gives you a quick summary of how the game went. From there, look for the magnifying glass labeled Go to Self-Analysis. Click that to jump into the interactive self-analysis board. Now you're in the space where real learning happens. Use the move list and the forward and back controls to step through your game move by move. As you do, keep an eye on the evaluation bar and the engine's numbers. Stockfish is running in the background and it will show you who's better and by how much. Positive numbers favor white, negative numbers favor black, and bigger swings mean bigger mistakes. When you see a sudden jump, that's a sign to pause and investigate. Blunders and inaccuracies are often highlighted in the move list. Click on those moments to center the analysis right where things went wrong. Watch how the evaluation shifts before and after the move and read the engine's suggestion for a better option. If the best move isn't obvious, don't worry. The goal here is to understand the idea behind the recommendation, not to memorize lines. To explore alternative lines, simply play moves on the board from any position in your game. Drag a piece to try what the engine recommends or test your own idea. You'll see a new variation appear and the evaluation will update instantly. Try a few continuations to compare plans. Switch sides if it helps you understand both perspectives, and notice how small improvements, like a safer king or a more active piece, can change the evaluation. If you want to focus on a particular theme or critical moment, set up a custom position. Start from a point in your game and adjust the pieces to recreate the situation you want to learn from, then let the engine guide you through it. This is especially useful for tricky endgames or tactical positions you want to revisit. As you finish, return to the start and replay the key moments with the improved lines you discovered. The self-analysis board is most powerful when you connect the engine's suggestions to clear ideas you can reuse in your next game. Use it regularly, be curious, and you'll see steady improvement.